Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about some cool facts about CNC mistakes. Before we dive into the world of wood routing, we want to remind you of the importance of supporting content creators like us. By hitting the like and subscribe buttons, you're not only showing your support for our channel, but you're also ensuring that you never miss out on any of our future videos. So, before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get started on creating beautiful woodwork together. First, did you know that CNC machines can make mistakes just like humans? These mistakes are often caused by programming errors, worn-out tools, or poor machine maintenance. But here's the cool part. CNC machines have built-in error detection systems that can catch mistakes before they cause serious damage. This means that CNC operators can quickly fix the problem and get the machine back up and running. Another interesting fact is that CNC machines can actually learn from their mistakes. Through a process called adaptive control, the machine can adjust its cutting parameters based on previous mistakes and improve its performance over time. One of the most common CNC mistakes is a tool breakage. It's usually caused by improper tool selection or overloading the machine. But in some cases, it can be caused by a worn-out tool or poor machine maintenance. To avoid this mistake, it's important to regularly check the condition of the tools and make sure they're properly secured in the machine. Another common mistake is poor fixturing, which can cause the workpiece to move during machining, resulting in inaccurate cuts. To avoid this mistake, it's important to make sure the workpiece is securely clamped in place and that the fixturing is properly aligned with the machine. In conclusion, CNC machines may make mistakes, but they have built-in error detection systems and can learn from their mistakes. By regularly checking tools and fixturing and following proper machine maintenance, CNC operators can minimize the risk of mistakes and keep their machines running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos.